Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lisa Zora. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back guys. And if you're just passing through, welcome just the same. So as it said in the title below, I'll be talking a little bit about my Hotforex Sparks card. So let me get that card right here. I gotta cover up a lot of stuff. So I do have my Hotforex Spark card. It works through like Union Pay. For those of you who don't know Union Pay, you can go ahead and research on that and you'll get the information that you need. Now, some of you might not know, I was born, and I am from Jamaica, basically. We travel all around the world, but I love my country, so that's where I would like to be. As you can see, this is the Hotforex Spark card that I was telling you about in the video the other day, and as you can see, I do have one. Here in Jamaica, it works with NCB. If you're like going to the supermarket, you're shopping, you're doing stuff like that, as long as it's an NCB machine, it do accept it. I haven't tried to withdraw. I haven't tried to withdraw anything from the ATM as yet, so I'm not sure about that. So I really love their Spark card because it's very convenient. You can use the Spark card to shop on Amazon. You can use it to shop anywhere that accept Union Pay, and it can be used worldwide. In the other video, which I'm gonna put at least somewhere on the screen at the end of the video, you'll see all the countries, and there are more, but those are the ones that I will be showing you that Hotforex accept, where you can go ahead and sign up for it if you want. A link would be in the description box for you to go ahead and sign up for Hotforex, the broker that I'm using now. So I'll also leave a video at the end on how you can sign up for Hotforex. So their Spark card is very convenient. You can transfer money to it. You'll get all your information, all of that. You don't have to pay for the Spark card, but you do have to pay for the shipping. And here in Jamaica, they use DHL. I'm not sure about the other countries. I think, I don't know if you're in a different country, you'll get a different looking card. I guess it depends. So this is my Spark card that I have received from Hotforex. And as I said before, you can use it to shop at supermarket anywhere that has NCB machine where you used to swipe anything. I don't remember, POS. I think that's how they call it, machine. So this is their Spark card. It's very convenient, as I said before, guys. As I said before, guys, sorry about my baby in the background. As I said before, so it can be very convenient. So I'll be showing you guys, once you sign up, click on the link and sign up with Extend Global. I'll be showing you guys how you can go ahead and order your Spark card if you're interested. And you know, once you do that, they'll send you the information. Their support or their customer service is 24/5, 5 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Those are the 5 days you can get in touch with them, but they do respond as soon as they get your message. That's one thing I got to say, and they always try to solve your problem. I really like them, and I would do recommend you guys to try them out and see if you really like them. I still love my XM Global, still using it, but I'm also using my Hotforex. Their bonus is 100%, and if you deposit for just an example, $10,000, you get 20. After changing 240 lot size. Come, princess. Come. 240 lot size. You get the money to keep for yourself. Guys, I'm sorry about that. Just a sec. Okay, sorry about that. So I had to go get her because you know, she's all the way inside, and yeah, she decided that I have to come and get her. So I'll be showing you guys how to sign up for Spark card as in this video. Yeah. So if you like this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have done so. Hit that notification bell and stay tuned and keep on watching. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Yes. All right, guys.